Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching me, hey, I am Lisa. If you like this type of videos, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit the bell like button, that way you get notified every time I upload a video. So today I wanted to share with you guys a few of my postpartum must-have essentials, everything that you need after you give birth to your sweet baby. Now, before I go on to sharing with you guys the things that I want to share, I just wanted to take a few moments to talk about this post here that inspired this video. When I came across this post, I just felt the urge to make a video. Postpartum is real. A lot of women have experienced that. I'm very fortunate. I've never experienced anything like that, and I pray to God that I will not be experiencing that. But there are a few things that I have been doing to help me not fall into depression, to help me not feel sad, and just uplift my spirits. I'm not going to lie to you guys. During this pregnancy, I almost fell into depression with this past pregnancy. I thank God though that I didn't, because I was so close to God. Whatever you're going through, there's nothing God cannot fix. There's nothing God cannot do. There's nothing God cannot change. Just speak to Him. Pour out all your heart to Him. Make sure you let all your emotions come out. They have to come out anyway, so let them come out. If you gotta cry, cry. If you have to scream, scream. Alright, now let's talk about this post right here. It's very important for us women that just gave birth to be around people that have gone through the same thing. Now, I know right now we cannot be around people, but definitely join any type of postpartum forum, join some type of online supportive network. You definitely want to be around people who will uplift you, people who understand you, people who are going through the same things you're going through. And of course, your partner, your spouse should be your supportive system. And if you do not have a spouse or a partner, definitely join those type of forums. Even if you have a partner, still join those type of forums. Sometimes our spouse will not understand what we're going through. They will definitely help you some way, somehow. Now, I am fortunate enough to have obviously my spouse, and have my sisters and people that I could go through who have been through the same thing I've gone through, and talk to them. They're able to advise me. Just having that time with other people other than your baby is very important. Now, if you do have help, definitely get as much help as you possibly can. I cannot stress that enough. You need rest, mama. You definitely need rest. Second thing I wanted to discuss is allow people to help you. Get as much help as you possibly can. I cannot stress that enough. So if you are fortunate enough and you have your family members, your dad, your mom, someone who can help you watch after your child while you're sleeping or taking care of yourself, making sure that you're good, definitely take that opportunity, because trust me, you need rest. You need to take care of yourself. You need a me time. Even when you have a newborn, you definitely need a me time, because you can lose it. You can definitely lose it. If you do not get rest, especially, you can lose it. Get the help. I know not everybody is fortunate enough to get that help. One thing I would tell you mamas out there is, once your baby is sleeping, you try to sleep as well. Of course, if you do not have any other babies or any other toddlers, any other children that need your attention, trust me, get that time to sleep. And if you have help, of course, get your parents, your spouse, or anybody else to watch over your other children while you're sleeping with your newborn. The more you rest, the better it is for everybody, for yourself, for your kids, for your newborn baby, for the world. You will be the greatest, the best mom ever. So another thing is nutrition. Make sure you're getting the right nutrients to nourish your body, to nourish your baby. If you are breastfeeding or nursing, you want to make sure you're eating right, you're eating good. Because when you're eating a lot of vegetables and fruits, it does help a lot with your digestive system and your baby's digestive system. It is a win-win situation for you and your baby. It will definitely help you in the long run with losing all that baby weight. And the next thing I wanted to talk about is break. Again, this break goes along with getting help. So if you have help from your family members, from your spouse, from your children, your older children with your newborn, you definitely want to take a break, a time out from being a mom. Just reflect on yourself, take care of yourself. And I know right now we cannot go anywhere, so if retail therapy or online retail therapy will help you, hey, go ahead, take a break, do some online retail therapy. That's what I did the other day. If you need to do a facial, you need to do your manicure and pedicure, there's a lot of videos on YouTube showing how you can do all that. And all the tools that you need to do all that is all on Amazon. You have nothing to lose. Take a break. You need it. Another tip that I wanted to share with you guys is after giving birth, please try not to carry anything heavy other than your baby, because your uterus is still adjusting. It's still trying to get back to its original position. So you putting a lot of pressure on your body could possibly shift your uterus, or give you some problems in the long run. So you definitely do not want to carry anything heavy at all. And I understand sometimes you may not have help. You might have to carry your car seat, but if you do have help, let the person help you, because I know a lot of us mamas out here, we try to be super mamas. We want to do all things by ourselves. Even if we have help, please seek help. Alright guys, so it is a couple hours later. My battery died. Baby boy woke up. The sun has gone down, so now I'm just using the light in our living room here. And I just wanted to remind my mamas out there that we all do matter so much. Our kids count on us. They rely on us, so we have to be strong for them. We have to be happy for them. We have to be healthy for them. So if we take care of us, we love us, then we'll be able to love them and take care of them. Without further ado, let me show you guys some things that I used this past pregnancy and some things that I used in my previous pregnancies that I did not necessarily use this time around. So first thing first, after you give birth, you will need some type of pad, some type of protection. The hospital does provide some pads. I find that the hospital ones are not very reliable. They're not comfortable. I did use those with my 2 pregnancies before with the girls. I did not know about these at all, but if you are pregnant, you're expecting, I will strongly advise you to get you some of these Always Discreet Boutique underwear culottes. So this is how they look like. They're like in a pinky peach-ish color. It's just really comfortable. It's a pad underwear. You have your pad and then you have your underwear. It holds everything in very well. You are comfortable. I really loved using these at the hospital. Even at home, when I was still bleeding, I went ahead and used this. I got mine from Target, but you can definitely get these on Amazon and you can order them on Target as well. So this is a must-have. So next up, you will need more pads. You need a lot of pads. This is ultra thin, but the one that I prefer is the one for like nighttime, just for extra security. And I always take the ones that have wings just for extra protection again. So the next must-have item is this one here. This I did not use with Allison or Zion, but I did use this with Zoe. I just wanted to put it out there because sis, you will need this. The reason why I use this with Zoe is because I did tear a little bit, and so it was very painful. Recovery, it was very painful, and so this did help out a lot. This is the hospital trusted Dermoplast pain and itch spray relief. It cools and comforts, no touch application. You just spray on the affected part, it will cool it down. You will feel so much comfort. This did help out a lot when I had Zoe. Now when I had Allison, I didn't have any tear, and recovery was really just fast, and even this time around. And I did get this on Amazon, so you can definitely order it off of Amazon. So next on our list, it goes along with the Dermoplast pain and itch relief, are these Tux medicated cooling pads. Now I found these videos to be very helpful when I was pregnant. I watched so many videos, so many postpartum videos. A lot of women recommended this one. I myself did not use it, just because again my recovery was very smooth. The only thing that I experienced this pregnancy was the pelvic girdle pain. I experienced that even after pregnancy. I would say get it just in case. I did order these just in case. I knew how painful it was when I delivered Zoe, so I was just preparing myself for the worst case scenario. So next item is this one right here, is the Frida Freeze perinatal bottle. I don't know, I will put the name down below. I'll put the link and the name down below. I got this from Target. You can definitely get it on Amazon as well. Now this was definitely life-changing. This was my first time using this. With my prior pregnancies, I've used the one they usually give you at the hospital. Those ones are really good too, but this one, I'm telling you, this one hits the spot. I only wash down there with cold water. It helps with reforming my skin and just making it very strong and tight, you know, because that's what we want. This is a must have. If you're not gonna get anything else that I mentioned here, at least get this one. I love it. Even if you're not pregnant, get this one. Of course, you know, if you're not pregnant or you're not having a baby or you didn't have a baby, you use this one. You also use your hands. You just don't use this. You use this and your hand. Wash it very well. Okay, so next item are these underwear. I ordered a bunch of these black underwears from Amazon. I love them because they are so sturdy. They are high-waisted, very comfortable, very soft. I love these, and they had really good reviews on Amazon, so I grabbed them and it's a great purchase. And so if you can, definitely use that for those couple of weeks. You would definitely need to be comfortable and have something to, you know, just hold yourself together. The next item I would say is get a pump. My pump is a huge pump. It's one of those Medela pump. I don't really like pumping. I don't pump as much because my baby nurses, but let me tell you why you need a pump. Because sometimes babies do not latch on right away, or they cannot latch on properly to your nipple. You will need a pump to release all those milk, because when you get engorged, it's not fun. It's not fun if you cannot get the milk out. That thing hurts. So along with breastfeeding, you will need some type of nipple cream. I got mine from Amazon. It's by Earth Mama Organics, and this is organic nipple butter. This stuff, oh my goodness, I cannot stress this enough. If you are a nursing mama, you definitely need this. Even if you pump, you definitely need this for your nipple. So another favorite of mine will be prenatal vitamins. Even postpartum, these are really good, especially if you're still nursing. This is really good. You're still nursing or pumping, because your baby will still get those vitamins, and it's really helpful for their growth. So last but not least, you will need socks. I had a lot of liquid. My feet were very swollen. It was hard for me to walk. So I found that wearing socks did help lessen the pain. It helped with the swelling and lifting my legs up. You definitely want to put your legs up as much as you possibly can. Alright, so these are all the items that I've used this past pregnancy for my postpartum care. These are my postpartum must-haves. If you have anything, or you know of anything that I did not mention, definitely leave it in the comment section below. And if you are a new mom, congratulations to you, and I wish you the best for you and your newborn. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless you. I'll speak to you very, very soon. Bye.